Here's how to top up the water pressure on your Vaillant boiler. So if you look here, you can see the water pressure currently there. If I click on the radiator button, click on bar, and it shows you the value it's at. Generally, from what I've heard from boiler engineers, they say it should be at around 1.5. So it's 1.3 at the moment. So if I look underneath the boiler, this one has 2 valves. So coming in close there, you can see it's on the closed position, and there's another one just over there. So if I turn this valve to open it up, do it all the way, and this one here, if I slowly turn it, you can hear the water filling up now. And looking on the boiler, I'll turn it a bit more. You can see it's filling up now. 1.4. I'll just lock it back into place, and just to show. So it was like that. I've just closed it, and I'll close this one up as well. So there you go. Simple to do, and again, just make sure it stays at 1.5. If it keeps dropping, you could have a leak, so reach out to a plumber to check it. There you go. Thanks for viewing, and see you in the next one.